Have you ever come across a date and wondered, what day of the week was that? In this tech tip, I show you a handy productivity hack that allows you to jump to a specific date in Google Calendar right from your address bar. In a previous tech tip, I demonstrated how to search multiple websites from the convenience of your address bar. If you have not seen that tutorial, I have included a link in the notes below. We will extend the power of the custom search engine feature that we learned in the last tech tip by adding JavaScript. But don't worry, no coding skills are required. We have included all the code on our website so you can copy, paste, and use this powerful shortcut today. So let's start by browsing to the TechnoJudo website for the code. And we will select the Go to Date shortcut for Google Chrome article. And then we will scroll down to the area with the code, and there's a button to copy. Let's click copy. To use this and to set up the custom search engine, we can right-click in the address bar, select Edit Search Engines. Then let's click the Add button to add another search engine. And we're going to call this Google Calendar Go to Date. And to give it a nice short keyword, we're going to call it GTD for Go to Date. And then here we're just going to right click and paste our code and click Add. Now, when we open a new tab, enter our keyword for Go to Date, GTD, and then hit Tab, and then enter the date that we'd like to navigate to, 01/12/2019, for example, and hit Enter. It should take us to the date that we specified and show us the day of the week. One thing to keep in mind for best results is to already be logged into a Google account such as Gmail or Google Calendar prior to executing this shortcut. This quick tech tip was provided by TechnoJudo.com. If this information was useful, please help us help more people by clicking the thumbs up icon and hitting the subscription below. You may also send your questions or how-to requests to questions@technojudo.com, and it may be featured during our next tech tip video. Thank you for watching.